Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to bring data from the other Excel file and use the data to create a pivot table in our current file. Okay, so what I have, my current worksheet is from the new workbook. Okay, now I will show you where my data file is. My data is in the data files folder. Change data source 1. Okay, this is my data source. Okay, this data source has product, customer, category, country, cost and profit for each product, and the respective customer, category, country is there. Okay, so I have two sheets, May and June. Okay, so month of May also I have one worksheet and June also one. Okay, I want the May data to be processed in my new file. Okay, so this data file I am not touching anything, I just close it. Okay, what I am going to do, I am going to create a pivot table here in my new workbook. Okay, insert pivot table. Okay, once I press insert pivot table, choose the data that you want to analyze, but I don't have my source data in the current worksheet. Okay, in the current workbook. So what I am going to do, I use an external data source. Okay, use an external data source, choose connection. Okay, once I choose connection, then what is happening is that I don't have any connections in the workbook. It shows all available connections, but it's okay. I will just go and create a new connection. Just browse for more. Okay, what I'm going to do is I go to data, my folder, data files. Okay, change data source. See here, I'm not just selecting the file only, it will create a connection because it's a Excel file. So just select the Excel file. Okay, once you selected the Excel file, it shows you what all the worksheets available in the file, so you can select any of the worksheet. Okay, I want the May's data worksheet. First row of data contains column headers. Yes, my first row is column header, so press OK. Once I connected the connection, it shows that connection name, change data source 1. Okay, so the connection is already there, connected. Okay, now where do you want to put it? I want to put it in the sheet 1. Okay, press OK. See what happens here. Actually the pivot table report part is here and the pivot table fields pan also appeared, but this pivot table fields pan is showing the fields whichever is there in the my source data work file. Okay, which is in this case change data source 1. Okay, okay, read only. I just open it, read only. You see here product, customer, category, country, cost and profit. Okay, so the same thing is here, category, cost, product, customer and country. Okay, so the same thing is appearing. The same thing is appearing in the current workbook. Okay, now I select profit. Okay, sum of the profit, I want the product and the country to be in the column wise. Okay, now as usual I can create a pivot table, but this pivot table is connected to the worksheet in the another worksheet which is in my data files. Okay, so this way you can use a particular data source or the source data from some other worksheet, and you call that one and create your own pivot table in different worksheet. Okay, in different file itself. Okay, so from file to file, Excel file to Excel file, you can transfer data and use the pivot tables. hope this video is helpful to you, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to Alan Sam's channel, and you won't be missing any of my videos. You can see the subscription button is already there in the video itself. Just click on that and you can subscribe to my channel, and you leave your comments and valuable suggestions. It will help me to improve my videos, and God bless you.